Good afternoon, welcome. This is Literature in English. Past question year 2019. Question number 35 says the underlying expression means dash. As from the quotation, or this the underlying expression we're talking about is from the quotation from that is at 1 line 200 to 250, 207 rather 207. So that's where the underlying expression is quoted from. Say the underlying expression means that A is born to lose something in life, B keep smiling even while being robbed, C it is useful not to be more once losses either way, D the thief loses either way. So the correct option here is option C. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.